What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another vlog. Sorry I haven't uploaded. I wanted to be uploading each and every week, but I think I passed by maybe 2 days. Update on the house. I currently changed the settings of my study area, so I'm currently studying from there now. And I have exams in like 1 month, so like it's kind of hard. And I wanted to show you guys something though. This is yesterday. I kind of removed the spark plugs. One of the spark plugs actually. It's kind of raining right now. I wanted to show you something as well. I hate it when people close the door. So what I hate is when people slam the door and it's supposed to be closed like this. That's how you literally close the door. It's kind of raining, so I don't want to get soaked. I don't know how to properly read spark plugs, so I got one yesterday. I removed one from the car because of the misfire, and I sent the picture. I just got the picture and I'll show it right now. So I was only able to get the spark plug out of this first cylinder, and then the rest I couldn't because of the air intake. This is the air intake going into the throttle. So I need to remove number 2, 3 and 4, but to do that I have to remove this whole thing, and I do not have the tools for it right now. Otherwise, the other thing that I might also try is just clean up the throttle body properly and just check whether the fuel pressure is good enough to not make any misfire. If it does make any misfire, I'm not really sure. I'm still new to cars, so I'm equally learning, and I'll just try and tinker around as well. Just check if there are any places where they might have touched before that might have had problems before, like the injector right there. Sorry, my phone cannot zoom in and it's not clear enough right now, but there's an injector there that looks like some glue was added. I don't know what exactly that is, and yeah, apart from that, there are a lot of things to actually check out, and we'll have a go at it properly. I promise you guys, I really do. Plus, the other issue is that the gears are grinding when you want to chuck it into gear. Like especially reverse, there's a lot of noise that goes into putting it into reverse, and it's kind of hard to go into one as well. So I have to check on that. My guess is maybe the master cylinder is weak. I don't know. I have constantly told you guys this car is fast, but I've never actually shown you what it does. So I'm in gear 2 right now, and let me just find a proper space where if there are no bumps. But I'm sure you can feel it. Like even the sound, you can hear it. But let me get into gear 3, and then you properly see what it does. So like it's jerky, and now this is gear 3. See what it's doing? Well, let me reduce the RPMs, because sometimes when you're high up in the RPMs it jerks. And this isn't all about being in the wrong gear. It's not even about being in the wrong gear, but let me try and floor it, and then maybe you get a better perspective. Can you hear it? You can just hear it from the exhaust. I don't know if you can hear it. Maybe the wind is just distorting everything. I'm faced with a dilemma right now. I'm trying to get rid of the misfire in this car. So I'm just in town right now looking at the prices of the spark plugs, and one thing that is really making me not want to buy them is because in the compartment here there's some spark plugs, which I'm sure you can see now. So I'm trying to figure out if there are already spark plugs there. I don't know whether they're old, or maybe these were the ones that were in the car before, and maybe these that are in the car now are actually new. So before maybe I buy the spark plugs, I can first try and check, because someone told me you can just like try and remove the distributor leads just to check which one stops misfiring or starts misfiring rather. But I was like, if I can still get one, it would be better for me, so that even if I try that and also change the spark plugs, then maybe the issue will be resolved or something like that. But again, the other issue is I don't have tools. So it's like a series of problems. I don't have tools, so even if I buy the spark plugs, I won't change them now. I haven't told you guys, but I'm also doing vegetables at home. So initially I came into town to buy some insecticide, which I actually bought, but then I got convinced, like, let me just check. So I've just gotten the spark plugs now. Wait, come out. It doesn't want to come out. But yeah, anyway, we'll have a look at these. So now the only thing that's remaining is actually just finding tools so that we can do everything. But I'll just go and have a look at what I actually need. I know I need a spark plug spanner. Is that what you call it? Then I need some other extra tools. So I hope, fingers crossed, that it's just the spark plugs and this car starts firing properly.